Hi, I'm Dr. Denis Cauvier, and for the past 30 years I've been a full-time professional speaker, trainer, and consultant, and I work in 50-plus countries around the world. In fact, as a speaker, I've actually addressed over 1 million people. I work with all sorts of senior executives to really help them find very practical ways to win the war on talent. In fact, I'm very well known for providing low-cost, high-impact ways that actually reduce staff turnover, increase team morale, level of productivity, ultimately driving to better sales, customer service, all impacting the bottom line. I've written 14 international best-selling books on this subject area, and I'm also very well known to taking these global best practices that are out there and helping my clients localize them and apply these strategies into their organizations that gives them a competitive edge. In fact, over the years, I've actually helped my clients increase their level of sales and revenues by well over $400 million and help them boost their bottom line with my strategies by tens of millions of dollars. Thanks for watching.